The prefix dis creates opposites. It changes the meaning of words to not, opposite of, or reverse action. Dis turns positive words into their negative forms. Dis means not or opposite. It also means reverse action or remove away. Disagree means not agree. Disappear means go away. Dislike means not like. Disagree means not agree or have different opinion. You disagree when you oppose an idea. You express different view. Examples are I disagree with you, we disagree on this, complete disagreement. Disappear means go away or become invisible. Things vanish suddenly and stop being seen. Examples are the magician disappeared, clouds disappeared, problems disappear. Dislike means not like or feel negative about something. It is the opposite of like. Examples are I dislike coffee, she dislikes rain, they dislike waiting. The pattern is simple. Add dis to base word to get opposite meaning. Dis plus agree equals disagree. Dis plus appear equals disappear. Dis plus like equals dislike. Same pattern works for hundreds of words. Practice disagree. I disagree with your plan. They disagree about the movie. We often disagree on politics. Practice disappear and dislike. The sun will disappear soon. I dislike cold weather. She dislikes spicy food. You mastered dis prefix. Dis means not, opposite, or away. Keywords are disagree, disappear, dislike. Pattern is dis plus base word equals opposite meaning. Use dis words confidently in daily conversations. Practice makes perfect.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.